Ano kayang ibibili natin dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unahan natin yung $1, 7, 8. 8. Lahat ng 20 dito. 20 cent. Lahat ng 20 dito. Naghihirap na ako. Naghihirap na ako, guys. I'm so poor. I don't have money anymore. Char. I need to buy bread. So, here the 50 cent. Here the 20 cent. $1, 10 cent. Yeah, so easy for me to count. To count all the coins. Easy for me to count all the coins. Correct. Because if I going home, I cannot use this coin, so I better use it now before I go home in the Philippines. Okay. Hello. Then what you think, how much you think all the coins? Me, I have no idea. Okay, anyway guys, bye.